guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike AIR FOAMPOSITE 1. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike AIR FOAMPOSITE 1. We got this in the black anthracite colorway in the UK size 8. It's European 42.5 and it's a US 9. So before we get unboxing, I just want to show off the box. So this is just a typical Nike box, but it's all black, and this kind of fits into the sneaker that we're going to review itself. And we're going to do the big reveal right now for you. So here we go. Here they are. Absolutely gorgeous sneaker. Before I delve into any specs of the sneaker, just a quick history. So this sneaker was designed by Nike's designer Eric Avar, who did intend this sneaker for Scottie Pippen. However, there was another basketball player who saw this. He actually saw this in the bag of Eric Avar's, and he thought, I need it. And that is Penny Hardaway. And for those that don't know, Penny Hardaway is probably one of the greatest point guards that have ever played the game. Was famous for his time at Orlando Magic and Phoenix Suns, but his sneaker game was immense as well. Like, if you haven't seen our review of the Air Penny 2, do check that out. It was one of my favorite sneakers, and Penny Hardaway is one of my favorite basketball players. For a point guard, he was really tall, had all the ball handles, and he could dunk. He was sublime, absolute magic, as it were. And with all that said, he was shown loads of sneaker designs and sneakers from Eric Avar. Didn't feel it at all, but he saw the Foamposites, and history was made when he was the first. Well, he wasn't the first, because Mike Bibby was actually the first player to wear them on court, but in the NBA court, these just remind me of Penny Hardaway because he was the first one to wear them. In fact, he wore the all blue one. We don't have the blue one right here for you. We've got the all black, just as dope. And it reminds me of the recent Comme des Garçons collaboration Nike did with the Foamposite. It was a similar color because it was all black. But let's get looking at this sneaker itself. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see that it's got a herringbone traction from top to bottom. And you can see the scent logo there. That's Penny Hardaway's logo also. And you can kind of see the exposed full shank plate right there. It's carbon fiber shank plate that the sneaker is made out of. And then you move on to the midsole. So the midsole is essentially wrapped by the upper, which I will get into in a moment, but just inside, encompassed into this midsole unit is a Zoom Air technology cushioning. And we're moving on to the upper, and you've got this really unique design, this kind of like bulletproof look on the sneaker. So that is what the Foamposite is known as. It's just very unique. Nike had it in the bag, very unique sneakers. If you think of the Air Up Tempo with that big air, you think of the Air FOAMPOSITE with essentially foam. So this whole upper is encompassed in a polyurethane upper, and it's essentially a foam. It's kind of stiff, so people would have to break into these sneakers in order to get the best fit and like best strides out of it. However, Penny Hardaway was able to do some magic in his. You know, you can too as well. So if you look at the lacing, so we look at the lacing system, it's a quick lace system, got some round laces. It doesn't come in another pair of extra laces, unfortunately. You got a foam tongue, pull tabs at the front, and then you got the Penny scent logo also. And essentially, it is textile uppers encompassed by the foam. So you've got a lot of foam here as well, cushioning, and it's kind of like a booty system. The sock that's there, you can see the mesh as well. And then you look at the heel, you've got the scent logo, pull tabs there also, and the insole, you got a foam insole with the scent logo also Really unique in its design. It isn't as heavy as people think it is. I wish that I was able to have a pair of the all blue version, the one that Penny Hardaway played in. Actually, quick fact for you, Penny had to mark it. There was some indents, so you can see the indents here. Because of the uniform regulations in the NBA, a certain percentage of your shoe had to be black. So what Penny Hardaway did was he got a permanent marker, Sharpie, and just filled that out in black. He wouldn't have any trouble playing with these back then, but at this time, any NBA player, they're allowed to wear any color. But this black version's proper cold. I love this design. Honestly, I love the 90s designs of basketball sneakers. They're very unique, very out there. They look very futuristic as well. And this sneaker itself, the Foamposite, has a rich history when it comes to basketball and who wore it. All that said, really can't wait to try these on. So roll out footage of me trying these Foamposites on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get half a size up to what you usually wear with Nike. Typically, I wear a UK size 7.5, but I already can tell that if I had a 7.5, my size, it will be really tight. As it is now, it's actually all right. The PVC, sorry, forgive me, it's the foam upper. I can feel it compressing against my feet though, but that's what I kind of want. You want that lockdown support. Very unique looking on as well from a Nike sneaker. Obviously I wish I had the blue version, but these all blacks hit differently also. Big fan of the Nike Foamposite one, but that's just my bias towards the sneaker. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Shout out to Penny Hardaway if you're watching, and we know that you are. Big shout out to you. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. Till next time, peace.